Hate coding from scratch? Say hello to your new best friend, iBEAM. With iBEAM, converting your UI designs into front-end code has never been simpler. Imagine taking your sleek, polished designs and effortlessly transforming them into working code. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's iBEAM. Just upload your design files, choose your tech stack, whether it's React, Vue, or Angular, and let iBEAM do its thing. In minutes, you'll have clean, efficient code that's ready to go. No more endless hours of manual coding, no more headaches trying to align pixels. iBEAM takes care of all that, so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing user experiences. So why wait? Transform your workflow and bring your designs to life with iBEAM. It's time to make coding simple, fast, and fun again. From design to code, iBEAM has got you covered. Ready to give it a try? Click the link and see the magic for yourself.